I think Kickstarters are good for building a community, and I wouldn't not do it because you're worried about the fact it is true you have to give your Kickstarter backers free Steam keys. So there's some stuff around that where if a lot of them are reviewing it around launch, it won't count towards your review totals and stuff like that. But for me, I think if you have those guys redeeming, you don't have anyone else, then that's almost like more of a problem. So I actually wouldn't say don't do a Kickstarter because of that. But I do think you have to think about Kickstarters quite carefully, because I think Kickstarters can sometimes be a great way to start off a game's development, but they can also be a bit of a heavy weight around your neck from the point of view of you sort of end up setting up a whole separate set of people who've paid money already and they're looking for results. And also you have to fulfill sometimes a lot of complex deliverables. And so I think, if you were to ask people who did Kickstarters, I think some of them would say like, well, yeah, we had to slip the game, and then that was really stressful because our Kickstarter backers kind of got mad at us, or we didn't update them enough. And you have to do that in addition to you'll be running a Discord at the same time. So then you have to sort of juggle two communities. So I think Kickstarters are not like a slam dunk anymore, especially now you have Discord as well. I think if you need the money, and you can make, a lot of Kickstarters can probably make $25,000 to $50,000 if you've done a good job of them. So if you really need that $50,000 and you're not giving too much of it out again in physical rewards that you have to send to people, then I think it can definitely be worth it. But just be aware that these are definitely people who are now have a lot of opinions about your game and are quite invested because they've literally given you money at the start of the process. So that's sort of the minus, but the plus is they're very bought in, so they will be big fans of your game. So yeah,
that makes perfect sense. I've never done a Kickstarter, but everything I've heard from it is that if you go too crazy on rewards and promises, it can be the end of you. So that's what I'd recommend other devs. Like, just take it easy on the rewards. And I think the feeling I'm getting from this, Simon, is that Discord is awesome. That's like the new hot way to like build a community and market. And you're really enjoying TikTok and like the visual platforms out there, which that's kind of the gist I'm getting to. So that's interesting.
Yeah, I mean, for me, it's kind of like right now what I'm super excited about are Discord, TikTok, and other visual media and streamers. And I think those are the things that are powering a lot of the discovery. And there's still a lot of people who are sort of in the, Twitter press releases to editorial outlets world. And I think that works a bit, but it's really not got the juice that those other things do nowadays.
That's fascinating. No, thank you.